This is the BMW 1 Series E87, and the change time in this vehicle, you will need to insert the key fob in non-comfort access vehicles and then turn on the ignition. So you press the engine start button without holding without pressing the clutch or brake. So no pedals. Now the engine is not on, but you have the ignition on. Yeah, you close the door because it doesn't allow me to go through the menu. And now you use this stalk and this little switch here. You press it up. And I have some warnings to list through. So you press up and you get to this menu. You have check, oil level, TPMS, reset, and here you have set time. When you are in set time, press BC shortly. And now you have hours and minutes. When this square is over hours, you press this switch up or down and set the hours. So now it's 15, I will not change it. And then press BC shortly again. It switches to minutes, and you do the same. You just adjust the minutes, and then it just goes away to the main menu after some time, or you can press BC when you're done, and it will go to the main menu. This is how it works.